This is Unic at Newport in Belgium. It's a supermarket and part of the GB Partner Retail Group. They had a problem. A lot of cardboard is generated, but there was only limited space in their small warehouse and no space for a container. So only baled cardboard was accepted. They installed the Mil-tek Model 306E and a compressor MT3. They now send all baled cardboard back to the central warehouse, and this is free of charge. There's also a better workflow and a cleaner workplace. And they make about 5 bales a week.